drawbacks. Again, everybody's not going to do this way. I'm just showing you something that's time saving, constructive, and something different, like what you're doing. We put these lights in here. You come into a situation where you see a junction box like this, okay? We know that this switch controls this box. You agree or disagree?
Agree.
Okay. Well, what we're gonna do, we're gonna tap into this box. We're gonna turn and take that wire and put it in this box to make that light work. Now, that particular light, you examine it very closely, this light would almost fit anywhere. Now, the reason I say it's a good light to have in case you're running into a situation where a guy don't know where that truss at. That's big. Cut the hole, it's a truss there, what do you do?
What?
If it's I'm asking you, what do you do if I cut this and it's a truss sitting there, what do you do? You cut another hole?
Put it on top of the truss.
No. Can't put the light on top of the truss, Greg. So, you go here. No.
Make another hole.
No.
Well, I'm tired of getting wrong.
Well, one thing about it, wise man asks questions and a stupid motherfucker no. So
This young man here is wise beyond his years. I like him because he's very astute.
And he's very astute, just like you.
Now, just like you, very smart.
But struggles with the English language.
There you go. Yeah, that's my case.
Rest the case.
Yeah. So now I got to find that board. So I cut this way, but we know that board ain't there. I cut this way. We know that board ain't there. So I know this box is on this board. So I cut this out. Don't tell everybody your secrets because they don't need to know. This is a $150 drop.
I want to see.
This is a $150 drop. Okay, now I'm on the board. Here's the board. Going straight down there.